Sometimes traveling is on fire. My hostel is on fire. Next year, 2026, is the year of the sun. So for sure it will be the fire year. And also I have moon Aries, which is also fire sign, and Mars planet. So yeah, fire is not by accident. My room is somewhere there. But all documents I have with me, so there is only laptop and some clothes. Always documents, phone and passport is with me, remember that. So it is end of the fire alarm. The reason was, of course, someone was smoking the cigarette or weed in his room, and he will pay fine 2,000 or 3,000 euros. It is good, but you never know what's gonna happen when you travel. My story was many times something like this, similar. Sometimes true, not true, but crazy people, they know they cannot smoke in the hotel, but still smoking. It's another lesson. Have a nice evening.